I know I said in the last video that it could potentially be the final one of the season, but I've got a little something here today on Sunday, the 15th of October, 2023, so I thought I would just do a short update. So the yellow bell pepper has not turned colors, and with it being as cloudy as it's been, I don't know that it will, but the smaller bell peppers growing right here at the top, I was not expecting that. And even though the cherry tomato plant is wilting and dying, there's still plenty of green tomatoes on it waiting to turn colors, and I've got lots of red ones to pick today. Surprisingly, I was able to get another crop of green beans off the vines. They just did a lot better this year than I thought. So we'll be eating these tonight. The bell pepper plant that kind of grew out of nowhere has got a bunch of small green bell peppers on there, some buds like this, but it's just awful late in the season. I don't think I'm going to get anything off of it. And this red bell pepper plant has got, what, 3 peppers on there, 2 which I could pick. This other one, maybe it needs a little bit more time to get a little bit bigger. Oh no, there's a few more. So it's got 2 that are big enough to pick, a third one here that I could pick, and these other 2 need a little bit more time to grow, but I just don't think they're going to turn red, just like the yellow bell pepper over there. There just isn't enough sunlight. The single sweet banana pepper I've got over here just kind of weighed the plant down, and it sort of fell over from inside its hoop. I think I'll harvest this today. And we've got a couple small ones here on the hot banana pepper plant. Maybe give these a few more days and try to harvest them at the end of the week. I just don't know that this purple bell is going to get any bigger, so I'll probably harvest it this week. This other purple bell that's a little bit deformed, I think that's just about as big as it's going to get, so maybe I'll just harvest them both. This marigold that grew from seeds that just ended up on the ground last year is still going crazy. I have to keep moving it because it's choking out what little sunlight this little Fresno pepper is going to get. These 2 red Cajun bell peppers are ready to be picked, and if I leave them on too long, they'll just rot. This one down here at the bottom is bigger, but it's still green. I just don't know if it'll turn red like those bell peppers on the other side of the garden. There just isn't enough sunlight. The red bell pepper over on this side of the garden has gotten big, and you can see it's starting to turn colors, so maybe I'll have something by the end of the week, but I just don't know. And I've got another Fresno pepper I can pick. What was supposed to be a red cardinal hybrid bell pepper that is just purple, it's still doing good, but I might just harvest it with the other 2 purple bell peppers this week. There's a few jalapenos here on the plant that I can harvest, and some other peppers. I'll pick a few things today, maybe during the week, and if I'm lucky, maybe next week as well. But the days are shorter, it's a lot chillier, a lot gloomier, overcast, and just been rainy, and it's the end of the season. Some of these plants, they'll hold up in weather like this. So maybe I've got another video coming. Thanks for watching.